The signs of self-realization. Discovering ourselves. Who are you? Are you body or your mind? Are you something higher? Do you know who you are, or do you merely think you know? And does it matter? Our materialistic society. Who I am and who is God? There is no God, or I am God, or even I don't know. I don't care for God. These are all our thoughts and human thoughts. What do you think? What is the reality? There is no need of worry. So, the very important Krishna consciousness movement is meant to save human society from spiritual death. At present, human society is being misplaced by leaders who are blind, for they don't know the aim and the object of human life, which is self-realization and of our lost relationships with the Supreme Personality of Godhead. That is the missing point. The Krishna devotee movement is trying to enlighten human society in this important matter. According to Vedic civilization, the perfection of life is to realize one's relation with Krishna or God. In the Bhagavad Gita, which is accepted by all authorities in transcendental science, has the basic of all Vedic knowledge. We understand that not only human beings but all living individuals are part and of God. The parts are meant for serving the whole, just as the legs, hands, fingers, and ears are meant to serve the total body. We living humans, being parts and of God, are the duty to serve Him. Actually, our position is that we are actually serving to someone, either to our family, country, or society. If we have no one to serve, sometimes we keep pet or dog. All these factors that we are meant to render service. In of serving to the best of our ability, we are not satisfied, nor is the person to whom we are rendering that service satisfied. On the material platform, everyone is frustrated. The person for this is that the service being tendered is not properly directed. For example, if we want to tender service to a tree, we must water the root. If we pour water on leaves, branches, there is the little benefit. If the Supreme Personality of Godhead is served, all the parts of it actually automatically satisfied. Welfare activities as well as the service to the society, family and nation are realized by the Supreme Personality of Godhead. It is the duty of every human being to understand this position with God and to act accordingly. If this is possible, then our lives become successful. Sometimes, however, we feel challenging to say there is no God, or I am God, or even I don't care for God. But it is actually this challenging spirit will not save us. God is there and we can see Him at every moment. If we refuse to see God in our life, then He will be present before us. Cruel that if we do not choose to see Him in one feature, we will see Him in another. There are different features of Supreme Personality of Godhead because He is the original root of the entire manifestation. In one sense, it is not possible for us to escape from Him. There is Krishna. The devotee movement is not blind religious fantasy, or it is revolved by some abstract. Rather, it is an authority science approach to the matter of our external necessity in relation with the Supreme Personality of Godhead. We must always remember that the particular form of human life is attended after an evolution of many years in the cycle of the spirit soul. In this particular form of life, the economic question is more easily solved than in the lower animal form. There are swines, dogs, camels, and so on, whose economic necessity are just as important as ours, but the economic question of these animals and other are solved under conditions, whereas the human being is given all the facilities for leading a comfortable life by the laws of nature. In next video, we are gonna see why is the man given better chance to live and why not the other animals. Thank you for listening this audio book in video form. Hare Krishna.